Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check who had viewed your Instagram profile many times. For example, if you want to check whether who have recently visited your Instagram profile and checked again and again, which means you want to get a number of visits of the person which has recently visited more number of times on your Instagram profile. Then how you can get that numbers. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So before this, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have simply update the Instagram app. And after updating, you have simply open the Instagram app, and you can simply check for your profile whether it is showing any kind of visits or any kind of requests are available or not. So if a person visits your profile, send you a message request and any other thing, then you can simply check that they have recently checked your profile. But if you want to check how many times they have visited, there may be apps available that can provide you the data. But I will recommend you to do not use that kind of app because they may be able to steal your data. So you have to make sure about that. So if you want to check in the Instagram how many times someone visited your profile, then there is option available that you can simply get a business Instagram, which means professional Instagram. Then they can provide you the detail about the analytics. But in that analytics, you will also get simply who liked your Instagram status or posts. Then you can simply cannot get how many times they have visited. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.